Hey, hello. Many times people come and tell me that, hey Tejaswini, we are putting so much effort in creating good YouTube videos and uploading 3 to 4 videos every week. It has been an year and none of my content is going viral. Can you help me? This is a very common question, right? Actually, as a digital marketer or as a social media marketer, it is not necessary that our content should go viral. But as a creator, we all secretly wish at least one of our videos or one post on Instagram it should get million views and 100,000 likes. So this is our secret wish, right? So in this post, I am going to tell you what kind of content is having possibility to go viral. It is possible that your current post won't go viral still you implement all those steps what I am telling. But yes, eventually you might hit the jackpot. Number 1. Don't create for yourself. Create for your audience. Okay? Always understand the needs, the wants of your audience and create content to help them or to entertain them, to inspire them, to motivate your audience. Do not create the content for yourself. Okay? So when you will understand your audience, what problems they are facing, and when you will create content for them, the chances are there that they will share this content because it is fixing certain problem or it is inspiring them, so they want to share with other people as well, and the chances are there that this kind of content can go viral. Number 2, make your content visually appealing. I'm not saying that become a pro designer, but what I am saying is try to create content with good colors, good fonts, but at the same time it should be very simple, very easy to understand. So the font should be clear, the colors should be non-intruding, non-flashy, a lot of flash, no. Okay, and try to put single or double lines on your slides. Don't put lot of content on one slide or on one screen of video. People are not coming on your social media to read novels. Remember this. So make content look good as well as very simple to consume. It is important because whatever is simple, people will understand it more, and once they understand it more, they will consume it and share with other people as well as save it. Number 3, make your post actionable. That is, when people go through your post or video, there should be some action given to them. For example, if I am posting about a way or a solution to get up early in the morning. Many people are struggling to get up early in the morning. So if I am creating a post like this, I too had this problem. I was not able to get up in the morning because I used to sleep late. I used to watch movies. I had disturbing sleep at night. But this is the solution for this problem. So the action is try this solution, right? So there are various actions. For example, tag your friend, share with your friends, save this post, DM me, etc. Give them actions, okay? So this kind of content they will share, they will save because you're giving solution and action to them. They want to do something, right? And the fourth and last point is try to get as much engagement as possible. More engagement means the Instagram algorithm or YouTube algorithm, it understands that this post is valuable because people are engaging with this post. Okay, Instagram, YouTube, everybody is a program. So the program doesn't know you. In fact, people on those platforms, they don't know you. They will come to know you when you will go and interact with them. So go and engage with other people's posts of the same niche as well as engage with the algorithm. Put stories, put content, put reels. Try to talk to the algorithm. Okay, it is just social media. Go and say hello to 100 people. 50 people will reply you back, and they will also interact with your post. Try to get as much as initial engagement as possible in order to go viral. So that's it, my friends. Believe me when I say it's always about them. It's always about your audience and not about you. So understand what they like, what they share, what they save, and create valuable content, inspire them, solve their problems, entertain them, and keep doing this on and on and on. And it is possible one fine day you will hit a gold mine. And when you will hit this gold mine. Believe me, all other content that you have previously created, it will get lot and lot of likes, views, you will get subscribers, followers, they will flow in. I remember one example, do you remember that Rasode mein koun thaa wala YouTube guy, Yashraj Mukhate? He has started his YouTube channel 9 years before, but this video got viral and all other videos started performing well. All the best friends, and see you in the next video.